Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive and conclusive vocabulary sessions with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today, we are continuing with our D letter on to intermediate. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Delicate, nazuk. The delicate glass vase broke into pieces when it fell. Decline, girawat, asvikar karna. The company's profits declined after the economic crisis. Damage, chati. The storm caused significant damage to the roof. Dense, ghana. The forest was so dense that sunlight couldn't penetrate. Distract, bhatkana. Loud noises can distract students during exams. Debate, behes. The politicians had a heated debate on the new policy. Devote, samarpit karna. She devotes her time to helping others. Dramatic, natakiye. The dramatic change in weather surprised everyone. Drought, sukha. The region suffered a severe drought last year. Dynamic, gatishil. The team showed dynamic leadership in overcoming the challenges. Distribute, vitarit karna. The organization will distribute food to the needy. Determine, nirdharit karna. We need to determine the cause of the problem. Desperate, nirash. She was desperate to find her missing keys. Dependable, bharosemand. He is a dependable employee who always completes his tasks on time. Disguise, chalavaran karna, poshak. She wore a mask to disguise her identity. Discover, pata lagana. He discovered a new species of butterfly. Demanding, mang karne wala. The job is very demanding, requiring long hours and hard work. Delightful, sukhad. The delightful aroma of fresh flowers filled the room. Define, paribhashit karna. Can you define what success means to you? Dilemma, duvidha. He faced a dilemma about whether to stay or leave. Deny, inkar karna. She denied any involvement in the incident. Device, upkaran. The new device helps in faster data processing. Diverse, vivid. The city is known for its diverse culture. Detrimental, hanikarak. Smoking is detrimental to your health. Diminish, ghatana. His influence began to diminish over time. Deserve, yogya hona. She deserves the award for her hard work. Decline, girawat, asvikar karna. The company's profits have declined over the past year. Detail, vivaran. He provided every detail of the plan. Demand, mang. There is a high demand for skilled workers in the market. Defend, pachav karna. The lawyer will defend his client in court. Disturb, pareshan karna. Please don't disturb me while I'm working. Discard, tyagna. He decided to discard the old clothes. Delegate, pratinidhi banana. The manager delegated the task to his team. Dignity, pratishtha. She handled the situation with dignity and grace. Differentiate, antar karna. It's important to differentiate between facts and opinions. Deposit, jama karna. She deposited a check into her bank account. Dazzle, chamkana. The fireworks dazzled the audience with their colors. Devastate, vidhvans karna. The earthquake devastated the entire city. Detect, pata lagana. The detective was able to detect the criminal's location. Displace, sthanantarit karna. The flood displaced many families from their homes. Document, dastavez. Please document all the necessary details for the project. Debate, behes. The students participated in a debate on climate change. Dispatch, preshit karna. The company dispatched the orders to all customer. Matlab bhejna ya pradhan karna, dispatch. Diligent, mehnati. She's a diligent student who always completes her assignments on time. Display, pradarshan. The museum is displaying ancient artifacts. Duration, avadhi. The duration of the movie is 2 hours. Divert, morna. The police had to divert traffic because of the accident. Distinction, bhed. She received distinction for her excellent performance in the exams. Distress, sankat. The family was in distress after hearing the bad news. Deficit, kami. The country is facing a budget deficit this year. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.